Ready?
Ready.
Yes. Let's go.
Packing up the car, it's time to ride. Sunday morning, the open road's wide. Fishing poles, bikes in the back. Adventures calling, no need to look back. I'm on a journey, wild and free. Fishing, camping, just like I want it to be. Biking trails under the sun. Every Sunday the adventure's begun. The adventure's begun. Casting lines where the river bends. Campfire stories with our best friends. Paddle fast through the mountain breeze. Living life just the way we please. I'm on a journey, wild and free. Fishing, camping, just like I want it to be. Biking trails under the sun. Every Sunday the adventure's begun. The adventure's begun.
Say ow.
Day 2 in Risto Provincial Park. This is our chef for our breakfast. She made hot dog in a bun and a coffee. So tapos na ang breakfast. Papunta na kami sa hiking trail. Ano tawag dun, babe? Fire Tower Trail?
Yeah, Fire Tower Trail. Pakiabot mo yung bag, babe.
This is my PA, personal assistant, or personal asawa. Hiking na kami.
Teacher, come here, look.
Yeah, pero...
Nandito na kami sa entrance ng Fire Tower Trail. Punta kami dito sa left side.
No.
I'm with my makulit na son,
No.
personal asawa,
And Barkada.
and then Riley.
Niyo gusto, sa left tayo o sa right una?
To the right, to the right.
Okay, right tayo dito. Counterclockwise. Okay.
That's me. That's my
Garbage vlog. Stop muna kami. Pahinga muna and then snack time.
Hinga muna.
Kasi kakain tong makulit na.
Dito ako magluluto. Magbibisa ako. Makapag-adobo nga.
Tapos na kaming mag rest and snack. Punta na kami sa may lookout. Say hi, Riley. Hi.
So today we finally arrive at the fire tower. They go up on it to check if there's any fire in the forest. So basically, it's for safety purposes.
Ano kinakain mo? This is how you hike with a 1-year-old. Tana! Tapos na kaming mag-lunch. Hike na ulit this way. Mga 1 hour, 1 hour and a half.
Ako na lang bababa.
Be careful. Nakasurvive kami sa steep. Tapos ng hiking namin. Maghihintay doon yung mga girls. Kunin namin sa parking lot yung car. Clark, let's go. Come. Dito na kami sa campsite, so badminton muna kami. Kayo, anong gagawin niyo?
Matutulog.
Matutulog. And then, after 30 minutes, magluluto na kami. Porcha!
Alright, welcome to our couples tournament. Starring Carlos and Russell.
Inuhita mo pa sana eh.
You know?
Galing ni Russell ah.
Oh, pulot magkamali ah.
Tayo. Magaling na tayo. We are now chilling.
Hi,
Ito na yung
I can smack
pork chop.
your...
Oh, tikim na, tikim na. Bilis.
Kaya na.
Tikim na, tikim na.
No!
Pulot na dyan, no?
Kaya na.
Pulot na, pulot na.
Huwag mo ilapit yung sa fire.
Kumurot naman ako.
Pwede nang pulot-pulot.
Kumurot.
Pulot na.
Kurot lang daw. Kina?
Hi, I'm the barbecue ranger. That barbecue.
I am Carlos' friend.
You have to sit here.
Kain na tayo with salted egg, tomato, pork liempo, rice, and eggplant. Inihaw.
The adventure's begun. Yeah, yeah. The adventure's begun.